Hey guys, good morning. It's 9:45 a.m. on Friday, February 28th. I want to try some morning trading over here using my system. I've already added a couple of little upgrades to it. See, I have the impulse now. It's part of the signals, so you don't have a bunch of weird lightning bolts everywhere. Um, I'm continuing. This is the rags to riches story. So I am trading a small evaluation account, but I am copying trading to a couple of other accounts. I'm just not that's not part of the content for now. So let's see what happens. 9:45 there was news. Oh, it was uneventful. But NQ is moving way too fast. Let me show you the NQ chart. This is NQ. NQ is at this is a 20 tick Ninjarenko NQ, and even then we're still at dangerous speed according to the optimizer. Suggested size is 20. That's because my max threshold for speed is 120%, and anything at this point is just not tradable for me according to my risk tolerance. It doesn't mean that I don't have a way of trading that. Obviously, I have my own methods of trading that. But for the little small account thing that I'm doing right now, I can't go too crazy and trade a 20, 30 tick Ninjarenko because it'll ruin my whole risk reward ratio. So, just to show you that you don't need to rely on NQ just because a bunch of online people are doing NQ, NQ, NQ. I am in YM. I could also trade, what is that, the RTY. Soon I'm gonna have a chart that tells me a bunch of different futures at the exact same time, and it'll show you which one is the optimal speed. You could just choose that one and trade that. That's honestly one of my favorite things about this whole system. Being able to trade at your level, at your speed, not at the market speed. If the market's too crazy, then you go somewhere else. If the market's too slow, then you go somewhere else. Okay, on YM, we are at optimal speed. Yes, we are. Optimal efficiency, 100%. So I am in the right chart. This is a 10 tick chart. Looking at the minute bars, we look like we're in a little down drop. Potential long right here. I don't like trading right into VWAP. So I'm going to just leave this one alone, even if it works. Is there news at 10? There is no news at 10. Okay, good to know. So that's pretty much the only news for now. And wasn't Trump supposed to talk? Oh yeah, and Trump could just speak at any time and just make the market go crazy. So that's it. Oh, look at that. Yep. So, did I miss out on that trade? No, I did not, because it was not part of my my system. My system tells me do not trade with something right in front of it. And this is a very, very, very strong obstruction. I have no desire to take that trade. Sorry. So I don't feel bad. I'm just waiting. Waiting. It is 9:48 a.m. Let's see if I get a nice signal coming up. In the meantime, I myself listen to a couple of YouTubers because it's just fun to listen to them. They're entertaining. Plus, I like trading against them sometimes just to see how much more efficient my system is compared to theirs. All right, let's see. And remember, I'm only trading small right now, so you're not gonna see me in the thousands and thousands of dollars. Not yet. This is rags to riches, little storyline that I'm doing. So starting small, trying to build up big. The goal is to just stay consistent. So let's see. I gotta make sure my ATMs are set up properly. On 20, let's see. The risk is 30 ticks. So yeah, I want my ATMs to be set with my risk around 30. Why don't I have one? Okay. I could just modify it. All right. Stop loss 30, 30. We're going to call 30, 30, but my profit, that's only for like PT1. Let's call it 30, 30. I'm glad I'm showing this too. So, all right. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on, baby. Give me a trade. Okay, I don't really see anything interesting yet. Okay. In the interest of keeping the video short, I think I'm gonna pause for a little bit. So right now, just so you can see, this is a tiny little range. That's all it is, it's a tiny range. One of my favorite concepts is Wyckovian method, it's Wyckoff. So I do follow a lot of consolidations. You can see I even drew this before. To consolidation areas. These consolidation areas are money. Believe me, if you learn how to use them properly, you know where to not trade. Look at this, is a little consolidation right here. See that? So I didn't trade that, obviously. This was 8:30. I think there was news there too. I wasn't trading, I was coding at that time. So I would not have taken this signal because it wouldn't have been at this bar size. I don't know what signals were available at that time. I would have to go into it, and I'm not going to do that. Either way, it stayed in this consolidation area. Then the price finally broke out. When it broke out, we got a nice star, pushing the market straight down. 44 beautiful ticks. It went back into the consolidation area, and it just said, I'm going bam. 90. Oh, wow. Actually, the market just kept dropping. Man, what was I doing during that time? Look at this. Man, 155 ticks from that consolidation area. It's Wyckoff, baby. Wyckoff. Consolidation, distribution. Basically, accumulation, distribution. That's what it's called, really. I call it consolidation because, you know, I don't care. You can call it whatever you want when you're the one that's trading it. But it is an accumulation zone. I don't know if we're in accumulation anymore. I have a potential short right here, actually. The short is at the top of that zone. If I had a... But I'm only going for very picky trades, so I can't take this trade. Oh, there's a star. There's a star. Oh, I got to take it. All right, I got to take the trade. Whatever happens, happens. The star fails it, then that means the market is going to just shoot straight up. Oh, yeah. It's a good thing, too, of knowing it. If it's going to break it up, then it will go all the way up there. I do not have a method to trade reversals yet. I'm not looking for reversals. I just want to trade my system right here. Easy peasy. You see a signal. It follows the system. Then you take the trades. Done. Okay. It looks like it is going to break that star. Oh, and I am copy trading, so my actual risk on the take profit account is 40, 50 bucks. That's all. All right. Okay. I'm marking it down, guys. This is trade number 1. It's a low volume. Did I take the right stop? Oh, imagine. I mean, I'm not. I'm trading with the algo. So the algo told me to get out there. I got out there. There's no emotions about it. You took a little loss. You take the loss. That's it. To take profit. That got me for 50 bucks. No, it was 30. Where's my entry? Okay. 27 ticks. That's all it was. Okay. Yeah, 27 ticks. Why am I going crazy? Anyway, like I said before, if it breaks that star, which it did, there's a good chance that it's going to go up. This is not financial advice. Obviously, I'm just trading. I'm just journaling my trades. That's it. I'm not equipped in any way to give any type of financial or legal advice. I'm journaling my trades. Trade number 1 was a bust, so I'm going to mark it as red because that's how I like to keep myself organized for later on when I watch the recordings. And the bastard did shoot down. So Okay. So the only thing here was that my stop was just a bit too tight. It was one single tick. That one single tick that took me out. Let me just make sure that I have the stop set properly. Yeah. No, it was the right stop. There's no emotions about it. It is what it is. Mm. All right. There's a long. Oh no, but it's not a valid long. I'm in power mode right now. I haven't hit the power button because I want to see all the trades. But I'm personally in power mode, meaning I only want the really high probability trades. All right. Staying patient. What is going on here? I'm just curious. Oh, I only have one single account connected. Oh, cool. Okay. So I have a small account and I have my take profit account. Okay. Let's see what the speed of the market is doing. We're looking at 50% still. Adjusted bar size is 8. Oh, okay. We got 4 minutes until 10. I don't like trading like a minute or 2 minutes right before the hour ends. I always notice that something weird happens at these morning hours, whether it's right at 9 when crude futures opens, or at 10 or 11. So that's a long, but it wasn't a power long that I like, so I'm not touching it. Let me look at NQ. The NQ slow down at all? Let's look at NQ, guys. All right. NQ is all neutral. 120%. Still suggesting 20 tick. And we're still at low efficiency on a 20 tick. So, as messed up as it is, I am not touching NQ. I am sorry. There's no way I'm touching NQ right now. Okay. So let's see what happens. We got it's a star. We got 2 minutes. Oh, it says star. There's no star. Sorry. We got 2 minutes until the market goes. All right. I'm just monitoring these things. We got 2 minutes. Mm. 2 minutes. All right. You know what? I want to take a quick look at NQ. Yes. Okay. All right. Oh, I thought I paused the video. Sorry. What's going on? Speed is still too crazy. Damn, it's still too crazy. All right. Am I still looking at the right chart? I am. Yeah. I definitely want it. Just want to do something real quick. Where's my calculator? Okay, we're still looking at the right chart, guys. So right now the market is just moving between pivot point here and the daily high, so I'm not gonna mess around with it. Looking at NQ, see, I always keep my eye on NQ regardless. NQ has has a lot of power. Look, we got an eagle shot right here, but the low efficiency makes me not wanna take these trades. That's the only reason I'm not messing with them. Imagine taking that. Nope. Let me make sure that my Replicanto, I use Replicanto, by the way. That's how I do that. My leader account is a sim account, and then I use it on my other accounts. Sims, take profits, and real account. Uh-oh. All right. What's going on? So NQ on the other hand, oh darn it. Okay, it did have a long. No, it doesn't matter. Let me get out of here. This is just distracting me. I'm not touching NQ. It's too fast right now. That's it. I'm here to trade. No more playing around. Let's go. Right now the market, the Dow is doing really well. Tomorrow maybe. I mean on Monday I think I'll do the RTY. I just want to show the system and my my account building on different types of instruments. I don't want to just stick to one because sometimes one reacts one. I mean, one acts one way, the other one acts another way. It doesn't bode well for a system that can't be dynamic. Sorry, I'm still a little groggy this morning. I'm here to trade. Let's go, baby. Now, there was a star right here. We had a power shot. I do not take that trade. I don't trade right into a star. That's what that is. I don't trade into a star. I don't trade into that. None of that is a trade. This could have been taken as a trade, but I don't want it. Let me keep looking at it. Let me keep looking at it. All right. Let's see what happens. Damn, NQ is just too fast. Man. I know I'm keep talking about it. It's because there's so many trades happening on it right now. This was a long right here. It just occurred while I was talking. I wasn't even looking at it. The long right into pivot point. It was valid and it already hit the profit target. Did it? 30. There it is. PT1 right there. 30, 40. Oh gosh. That was a valid power trade. I call it the power trade because when I press that button, trades with lightning bolts are allowed. Although that's a bold draw shot. I don't know if I actually would have taken that regardless if I was paying attention. I don't like trading into a level, right? It's just one of my things. I do have a way of doing that. Like there are times that I'll literally trade into a level. That's fine. Like right now, you see how the market broke through this level? Then it broke through this level. If there's a short right here, I would take the short because this level lost its strength according to my own price action rules. But I don't have a short. See, it went up. Looks bullish. There's nothing I can do about it. All I can do is be patient. Wait for a proper signal and that's it. All right. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna pause it until I get a signal. That way I don't make the video way too long. I'm trying to do this simple signals, and then I'll explain it if I get a signal before the trade. Wait, right now, nope, that's it. Okay. Just a quick note. Notice how that power signal ate right through the pivot point. It just went all the way to the top, creating a perfect triangle. Now, if I do see a level right there, I don't mind targeting. If I see a nice entry long, I'll take it. If I see anything short, then I'll take it. The goal right now, stay a little patient. Market's moving a little bit on the zigzags, fast, up, down. I don't want to go crazy. I just want to keep the algo going. Let the algo tell me when to get in. Now, on that note, it told me to get in here, and I ignored it. Just keep that in mind. It said, get in. I said, eh. Here comes an Omega Star. That is my most powerful signal that I've ever seen in any system. I would love for there to have been a short there. There is no short on that chart, actually. Oh, there's a short. Oh, there's a short. Okay. Nice. I just took 500 on that one. Okay. That's how much I'm up for the morning. This is past my my profit target. I was only targeting $300 for the morning session. I did not mean to go there, but for the sake of keeping the system consistent, I want to take another maybe 1 or 2 trades, and then I'm done on this account. Let me see. Am I up? Okay. So, by the way, this is the 6-tick Dow chart, and notice how we're at good efficiency. So this was a valid signal right there. Had a lightning bolt. It's an enhanced slingshot. That's what it's called. There's a lightning bolt here. I mean, there's a star right there, but the lightning bolt gives you the confidence, and it already hit profit target 1 right there, 21. Realistically, I could just enter right there and go for profit target 2 because it's bouncing off of this. I like this trade. I believe this trade in that it should go down to PT2 right here, but there's no such thing as, the market doing exactly what you want it to do. So I am going to take it right there, and I'm going to target that. Okay. Now whatever happens, happens. Oh, where's that? Why is that not trading? Of course, it goes the other way when I take the trade, especially when I got a bad fill. Oh, wait, my computer's chopping a little bit. Uh-oh, I think it's Trump talking. Checking financial juice right now. No. Okay, nothing's happening. So I'm just going to leave this alone. We're at 100% efficiency. Adding to the trade right there. I wanted a better fill. That's why I only take half positions. And unfortunately, I mean, whatever. Okay. So it looks like the market is going to target above the CP level. And that's fine. I'm just going to relax, take a breath. I took a loss right there. That brings my account down. Where is it? Where's the account? Where is the account? Why can't I find it? Oh, there it is. 648. Okay, so now I'm at 394. Still above my profit target. That's what I really get for experimenting. Look, the entry was here. It already hit profit PT1. One of my rules. Oh shoot! How could I not take that trade? I'm taking it. I know what I just said. I'm taking the trade. Taking it. Don't care. Got it. Done. There's the account right there. $500. Right in your face. I couldn't say no to that. I'm sorry, but that type of signal is just too powerful. It's an Omega Star with a power shot. There's no way that I'm letting that go just because I'm making a video. I'm here to trade, not to sell anything. I'm just here to document my trades. I liked it. And now we got to go back in. I still believe market is making its way up. So I'm going to just take a nice deep breath. Actually, $500. You know what, guys? I'm done with this account for now. I'm taking it off. I don't want to look at it anymore. I have other accounts. Let's say it's 10 o'clock. I do want to keep trading a little bit more, but as far as that account is, I already hit my target on it for the morning. There's no need to keep going at all. $500 is more than enough when I'm only targeting $300 for the what? How long have I been trading for? Like 30 minutes already? Oh, that's true. Yeah. No, but it was an hour because there was a trade I took before without the stream. I mean, without me recording, and that's what got me up to like three something. That was on NQ before NQ went crazy. That was a big trade. Followed the rules in every way. Now, come on, let's see what happens. We are all right. The 6 is still looking good. Good efficiency. There's no trades. I just want to show you that signal did go all the way down. See how weird and choppy the market's getting over here? That's why I'm glad I'm out of there. I don't want to mess with that anymore. All right. So I'm turning off that account. Let me make sure. Okay. So as you see, that's the account right there. It's off. I'm turning it off. I'm leaving this. I'm going to trade some Apex and some other accounts that I have right here. That's how I'm going to do it. YM is looking good. Okay, I was recording. So this is a signal right there. It's not a power signal. It doesn't have what I was looking for. It's still a good trade. I'm gonna take it because I like the price action on it, and I really like that there's a potential target up there. So I got in a little bit late. Just want to see what happens with that. The entry is over here. I am allowed to DCA a little bit. That's the reason why I'm trading small. I like trading small on these large these large bar sizes because I don't mind letting the market go back down and me getting in at a better price. But if I can just take profit from my first trade, then that's fine. Because on this one, it's more of a 2-to-1 reward regardless. So I'm leaving that alone. Let's see if it pops up. If it does, then awesome. If not, then whatever. Can't go crazy, guys. See what my positions are. Okay. See what happens there. Okay. Am I gonna kill it? I don't know. Not liking it. I see some strong volume coming in on another chart that I watch also. I might have to kill this trade right there. All right. Small loss. Oh, thank goodness. Look at that. Holy moly. You know what? That's why I stick to power trades. I had a feeling. I like the price action, but the power trade wasn't there. And look what happened. On top of that, the market is dropping. I am on the wrong bar size. I'll tell you that much right now. Let's see what happens. The market is dropping. I am switching my bars because we're at 50%. Even though it says optimal 100%, that's just a little decimal error that I have going on. So just the bar size. I am going to stick to the 6 for now. The 6 and the 8. I'm switching to an 8-tick chart. See the market. By the way, look at the time bars. The time bars are just going straight down. There's no way to enter any type of trade. But the price action bars, which is the price bars that I really like. Actually, they don't have any type of trade either. I don't see any signals there that I like regardless. So I'm going to be very patient. I am going to switch to the recommended chart size for now. Just want to make sure that it's up and running. This is why I like trading a market that's a little bit more steady. The Dow is more steady. Usually today is just a very high volatility day because of the news and everything that's been going on. But other than that, the system adapts to that, so it doesn't matter. You just have to adapt to the market. Yeah, your system has to be able to adapt, or else it's just not worth it. Okay, so as I'm looking at it right now, I am still looking for potential shorts, not longs. If I see any type of really good looking short, then I am going to take it. There's a potential right there. Darn it. You know what? I did it on stream too. That wasn't a power short. It wasn't a power short. I made a mistake. I thought it was a power short. That's why you got, I made a mistake and I went double contracts on it. So I'm going to let this go. It'll probably take me out right at the stop. If it doesn't, then great. But I already committed to it, so I'm not going to go crazy. This, however, will give me a power short. I can see it already because I'm just watching the price action. It's just part of my algorithm, guys. It goes down. Nope. Oh, darn it. Okay. Okay. So that didn't work out the way I wanted it to. Oh, this is a second attempt. Second attempt short. Okay. This time I'm going for it. Okay. I just want to make sure that the stop is set accordingly. Okay. Let's see what happens, guys. Power short. I took 23, so I need to make up for 23. 23, keep going. Nice. All right, that wasn't too shabby. I just got everything back in one trade. Not too shabby at all. Okay, that was a mistake. Look, because I'm still testing out the system, I'm like debating on clicking the power button. If I had the power button on, this trade would not appear, which means I wouldn't have taken a loss. However, with that being said, I wouldn't have had the short here either. Would I? Oh wait, yes I would have. Okay, I just saw the other stuff that I look at. This wouldn't have appeared, but the signal still would have appeared over here. Over here would have appeared with a lightning bolt, and that would have given me the confidence to allow the trade to just shoot straight down. But again, oh, see, I have power mode on right now. This might have been a signal. I don't know. I'd have to look at another chart, but power mode is on, and notice how nothing is appearing right there. So I'm going to turn it off for now. I'm going to see if I could just take one more trade because, man, that was nice stuff. It's a good trade. It really, I took back some profit targets on those, yeah. Okay. All right. I'm going to wait for a signal and I'll unpause the video after that. All right, guys. I took a trade here. Oof. Instantly. What did I do? Oh, darn it. I came back in and I took a non-power trade. How do I do that to myself so fast? 74 bucks. I'm down 74 bucks on a small live account that I'm doing as part of this challenge. We have the lightning bolt. We do have a lightning bolt. I'm at 50% efficiency, but I do like what I see. I'm going in again. I'm trading. Oh, darn. Am I really going to get taken out so fast? You know what? The market started moving really fast. That's why. This is the chart I was really looking at, the 5-2. The efficiency just dropped. It wasn't like that. It was at 75%. So I like 75%. Obviously, I prefer the best, and I am pretty much about to get taken out on that. All right, not a big deal. Keeping it small, not over leveraging. Oh, and look what just popped up. Omega Star and Omega Star on this one as well. So I am just relaxing. Oh, I know you're thinking, why would you do that? Is it tilt? Probably. But you know what? I really like the double Omega Stars that I just got up here. So I'm giving it one last shot. If the market wants to come down and do anything awesome, cool. If not, then I'm taking a full loss on that. I already remember I'm not trading my main account there for the rags to riches story. That's already done. I took my profit. I was done for the day. This is a different account. I'm actually just trading an evaluation right now for Apex and one small what is it? A take profit account. All right. That's it. If this doesn't work, then that's fine. Because the goal is to trade the system, and then once the system tells you get out, just get out. Don't do what I just did right there. That leads to tilt. Done. Okay. See this? That's a long signal right there. A power long signal. Obviously, I can't take it because it goes right into these Omega Star. Now I do not trade against an Omega Star. And another thing, if you're looking at the optimized chart, which is this one, there is no short here. You took a short here because the power mode is off. This doesn't even appear here. There's no trade there. There's no trade. All right, I'm pausing it for a second. I'll be back when there's a nice trade. Okay, guys. I'm in a little trade right here. It's a power trade. Let's just see if it does anything for me. I have to get rid of those things. They're just taking beautiful trade. Well, the target was hit. It was a lower probability trade, but it was a power shot from the top of this little range. So I took it at full contract, which is 2 in sim, which equals like almost 8 micros on that small account that I'm trading. Here, let me get rid of these sim accounts. They're just distracting me for some reason. They're there. Okay. Sorry guys. Sim. I want those gone. Okay. There. Now I'm only trading my regular accounts. This is awesome. Let's get rid of all these things. I should have traded that. Alright, got my Apex back to break even. That's awesome. Because I made a mistake of trading outside of my comfort zone. Got this to break even. Alright, doing good again. Alright, gonna pause the video. I'll be back. If I don't see anything else, then I'll be done for the morning session. I already hit my profit of 300 for the morning session on my main account. Right now I'm just trading extra accounts and taking trades on extra valuations, but my main account has a very strict set of rules, and that's what I'm sticking to. Take my 3 net profitable trades if I can get profitable on that, or 300 for now because that's the target on that account. On my smaller accounts, I have a target of 150, but I'm not going to get into that right now. I'll explain that again in another video. All right, I'm pausing for now. Actually, no, that's it. All right, that's it for the morning session. I'm going to go take my breaks and maybe I'll do another video later.